Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve two large mouse cursor after reboot in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the common cause of this error are driver conflict and corrupted system files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to adjust the mouse cursor. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, so dito lang sa left side menu. And kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth and devices. So click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side, ay scroll down and i-locate natin yung mouse. Ayan, so itap mo lang dito yung mouse. And then dito sa mouse settings ay kailangan natin itong i-adjust yung kanyang pointer speed. So nandito sa right side yung adjustment. So i-drag mo lang yan mga kaibigan kung gusto mo ng number 10 or anong number dito ay kailangan mo lang i-adjust yan. Alright, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the graphics driver. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. So dito lang sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yun para mag-expand. And then dito sa ating graphics drivers ay kailangan natin itong i-update. So select and right click and itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And select ka lang dito sa dalawang option na to na search automatically or browse my computer for drivers. And then itap mo lang dito yung search automatically for drivers. So click mo lang yan and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, and the next keyword ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung mice and other pointing devices. So same, i-click mo yung arrow na para mag-expand. And then kailangan natin i-update yung ating mouse driver. So select and right click. And kailangan mo lang itap dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-select. Like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then itap mo lang dito yung search automatically and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito sa device manager, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to check for corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now, that is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix two large mouse cursors after reboot in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.